Thanks for joining me today. My name is Chuck Tuck, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the VB370A. Now I have the box right here with me. The box is pretty big. It is a conference camera. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside the box. It's packaged very well. So the camera is not as big as the box. Let's go ahead and put everything over here to the side. We have a wall mount drill template that's available. It comes right here. Did I mention it was packaged very well? Okay, the rest of it is the actual packaging. We're going to keep it safe in transport. See what we have in two of these boxes here. In one of the boxes we have the AC power cord, and we do have a remote control. There you go, there's a remote control. Go ahead and place those back in the box. And in the second box here, we have an HDMI cable. We have the actual power brick. The VB370A QR code right here. This is going to take you to your manual and things like that. You have a couple of fastening screws in here and batteries for the remote control. Now remember that wall bracket that I talked about that has your template? Well, here it is. Be sure to look for it in the box because it matches the color of the package, so you might miss it, but it is in there, and this is what it looks like right here. Now let's take a look at what we've been waiting to see. Right here, it's packaged up. You can see that it's nowhere near the size of that box. Here we are, right here. The dual lens. Go ahead and remove this right now. So there you have it. This is the AVer VB370A conference camera. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Now I will go over all the connections and everything about this conferencing camera in a separate video. This is just the unboxing, but you can see everything here. So this is going to be very, very nice. So once again, dual lens camera. So we have one that's a PTZ and tilt zoom, and the other is going to be a wide room camera shot. Thanks for watching.